Ever thought about how safe you are on the streets? Or how you can enhance your personal security? Street safety is not a topic to be taken lightly. Each year, countless incidents happen that could have been prevented with the right precautions. One of the most effective ways to ensure personal safety is through the use of body cams. These compact devices can record everything that happens around you. And there's one device that stands out from the rest, the BOBLOV B4K2 GPS 128GB body cam. Meet the BOBLOV B4K2 GPS 128GB body cam, an eye that never blinks. This high-quality body camera is your reliable companion, whether you're a law enforcement officer, security personnel, or an outdoor enthusiast. It boasts an impressive storage capacity of 128 gigabytes, ensuring you never miss a moment. Imagine recording 14 to 16 hours of clear, crisp footage. With its 4K video quality, every detail matters. But it's not just about the visuals. The BOBLOV B4K2 also offers superior audio recording capabilities, capturing the full spectrum of sounds around you. Now let's talk about location tracking. The built-in GPS feature ensures you can pinpoint your location at any given moment. This not only enhances your safety, but also adds a layer of credibility to your recordings. With the BOBLOV B4K2 GPS 128GB body cam, you're not just recording, you're ensuring security. A reliable companion, the BOBLOV B4K2 GPS 128GB body cam is perfect for law enforcement officers, security personnel, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether you're patrolling the streets, securing a building, or exploring the great outdoors, confidence is key. And confidence comes from knowing you have a device that captures high-quality 4K video, records superior audio, and tracks your location with built-in GPS. It's not just about recording events, it's about ensuring your safety and the safety of those around you. Consider the BOBLOV B4K2 GPS 128GB body cam. It's not just a body cam, it's your personal safety partner. Enhance your safety today at acticams.com or follow the link to find all your safety needs. Also, share and like my videos to help others decide if they need street protection at an affordable price.